Welcome to Risk Desk. It's a mobile-first trade sizing, logging, management, and statistical analysis tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your accounts, size and log a trade, manage it with partial exits, and analyze your performance using our statistics. First, let's get the desk set up. Head over to the Settings tab. In here, you get to set the global base currency of the accounts you deal with. So if your account is based in, for example, British pounds, but you regularly trade US stocks, you can set your global base currency as GBP, your default trade currency is US dollars, and RiskDesk will handle the currency conversion for you in real time. You can track multiple accounts. So if, like me, you manage personal trading accounts and other accounts, RiskDesk will size trades across each account consistently. You must nominate a master account. That will be the account the app uses to track your official equity curve, win rate, and statistics. Finally, there's a strategy manager. In here, you can define the specific strategies that you trade. Let's have a look at the core of it, the calculator. At the top, you've got the risk measurements. On the left is open heat. This is the worst case scenario if every one of your open positions hit its stop loss. On the right is your NER, your unfinanced risk. If both these increase too high, they'll get color coded and highlighted for you. Let's do a sample trade. I'm going to go long Nvidia. I've pre-entered some details here, entry price, and I've chosen to have a single rather than a staggered stop loss. I've chosen my risk to be 50 basis points. I could choose position size if I wanted to. I'm going to define my strategy, 21-day pullback, and enter some test notes. Now, when I calculate, tool calculates based on the US dollar conversion rate against my account, how many shares I should buy across each of my different portfolio accounts to meet that 50 basis points of equity risk based on my stop, how many dollars of risk I'm going to be risking, and the position size percentage. If I want to proceed, I can paste an entry chart here and I can add it to the trade log. And that's it, the log's entered. Let's have a look at the trade logs. All the historical ones are here. Here's the new one for Nvidia. And you can see that it's showing that this NER icon is present here because it's a new unfinanced risk. Let's take it forward a few days. If I come in to view the existing trade, I can see the entry. I can edit the trade if I wanted to. I can see the de-risk targets for selling a third, a quarter, or a fifth. Let's say this has moved into profit for me and I'm actually ready to sell a third. The price is 209. So to sell a third, 59 shares. To de-risk the trade, I can log the exit here and you can see the partial that I've sold and the R for that partial. If I come back to the log, the NER has been removed. It shows I've sold effectively a third of the position. Now, I can search across all the historic trades. They'll load 50 at a time in the list to keep it performant. And I can search by strategy as well. These can all be downloaded into Excel. Statistics. Once I've got some trades log, the tool will give you insights as to which strategy performs best, what your seasonality is, whether you're going on tilt, and give you some suggestions. By default, you can see all the strategies. You can see all your trades over time and what the win rate, profit factor, expectancy is, how that breaks between longs and shorts, the sample size, your account growth, your recent contributions, your drawdown risk, how your different strategies play out, how different outcomes play out, the time versus money scatter grid, your R distribution, your monthly performance, and your days of the week performance. But you can filter it by either strategy or by a combination of strategy and recency. So for example, if I want to look at my last 10 trades, I can see how they're performing relative to my broader metrics. And I can see if my last 10 trades, I'm not performing as well. So in a very quick nutshell, that's what Rick's desk looks like. There's a help guide here. In the settings, you can back up and restore your data. I hope you find it helpful. So start managing risk on the go. Try Risk Desk today.